Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggies, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Saggies, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Saggies, big changes coming it seems. If any of you looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. What's going on, Sagittarius? Tower as my first card and Devil as the underlying energy of the reading. And there is a sense of letting go. Sense of letting go or releasing something that is draining you probably, and you feel this is not the wisest relationship to be in, even though I think somebody really wanted it to work, wanted commitment, wanted to work on it. Right now doesn't seem to be much communication between the two of you. What I'm going to do, Sagittarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit. Oops. Just a second. Okay. Sagittarius and their person spirit. They could say something to each other now. Sagittarius and their person. We'll take a few more from another deck, Sagittarius. Sagittarius and their person. They could say something to each other. And a couple from here as well. Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. So Saggies, let's begin your reading. The first card here says, you changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and miss you. Why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? I would wait for eternity to be with you. I'll never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting for you, waiting a lifetime for you. Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you. Always and forever. I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe that you're my destiny. And the last two cards here, Sagittarius, say, I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. This situation is messy. Oh yes, with towers all over the place and the devil. Yes, the situation is a bit messy, and maybe this is the tower that has happened, that somebody enjoys your company but doesn't want commitment. But this could be flipped, right? This could be you saying this to your partner as well. So, Sajis, let's start clarifying these cards. And before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this reading. Maybe there's a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or message for Sagittarius, please. Steady progress. So don't give up hope, Sagittarius. Continue doing what you're doing. Be the best version of yourself. Don't ever feel that, oh my God, everything is over. So concentrate on yourself and concentrate on whatever you're doing. Slow and steady, things will become better. So now let's start with your readings. But what's this Tower moment for Saji? Tower. Tower. Somebody said something. There was some communication, maybe by your partner, that maybe they didn't want to commit or move this forward, and this could have been said or done in a very harsh manner, maybe, where you felt somebody got one over with you, or kind of made you feel defeated or something like that, and that really felt like a Tower moment. Three of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Three of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Yes, as much as you wanted to work with this person, Sagittarius, I think somebody refused. They refused to budge, maybe said not now, or dropped this connection. Maybe there was a question of commitment here. Yes, whatever they were offering was either very little or it came to a halt, and it put the other partner feeling very, very depressed. Sagittarius. So once again, let me clarify. This could be you doing it to your partner or vice versa. So 8 of Pentacles and the 4 of Coins, Spirit. Yes, maybe earlier this person was putting in some work, but now you realize that they were just tricking you, they were emotionally manipulating you, they were not doing the right thing ever. Now I think a lot of bad memories have been. Now when you think on all the good times, also the bad times are highlighted more. You started seeing the reality behind this person's motives, and you started feeling that maybe they were a magician, or they tricked you, or they kept you emotionally tied, and they pretended they were working on this connection. But I think this is now released, and you really wanted a partnership, an equal give and take, but instead I think they've left you totally confused. As much as there is love here, maybe you both felt the connection, but somebody in this equation was very cold-hearted, maybe very analytical, unemotional, and they said or did something which kind of brought in a lot of confusion here, Sagittarius, and that feeling of feeling left out in the cold. It's drained this Queen of Cups out. I mean, it's like every drop of her love has been used up, and feeling very, very emotionally drained or overwhelmed. So Queen of Cups, what do you want to say to us here? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups wanted commitment, they wanted marriage, they wanted somebody to do the right thing. But the Queen of Cups is saying my person was always ungrounded, they were always busy doing their own thing, they were keeping secrets from me, and they caused this tower to fall. They never offered me that stability that a King of Pentacles should. The King of Pentacles is supposed to be that spouse who takes care, nurtures a relationship, provides for his family. He says, did none of that. I've only wanted some kind of commitment from them, but they've left me here feeling very emotional and brought the tower down on this connection. Somebody's feeling that they are actually feeling quite foolish now. Hermit in reverse. Hermit in reverse. Yeah, I mean, they're feeling foolish because they thought this connection was going somewhere, right? They felt this connection is really going to proceed. We are meant to be. We are each other's happiness. This is long term. Instead, they got maybe rejected or felt depressed or lonely or sad or rejected and felt very, very emotionally overburdened. 10 of Wands, Spirit. 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Angry, yes, angry, sun is not shining anymore, feeling there is no forward movement, feeling upset, angry, overwhelmed at whatever decision has been made. It hasn't made their wishes come true. Whatever decision has been made by this King of Swords has not made their partner's wishes come true. They're kind of losing hope in this connection because, Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Yes, because things have totally stagnated. Totally stagnated. Somebody feels that the partner ended up being very immature and made promises that they never kept. Right? Somebody was dealing with a promise breaker, ended things, nothing positive being now shared anymore. Maybe at the moment things could be quite stagnant in terms of talking or messaging or things like that as well. Let's see what this devil energy is. Spirit, why was the devil the underlying energy of this reading? Why was the devil the underlying energy of this reading? What message is there for you? Sagittarius, this storyline comes up for you many times. I think there is still that obsession with this connection. One partner is still thinking that this can be healed. Sooner or later, this will be healed. This is just a delay. This is just a delay. There will be a reunion soon, and my King of Swords may suddenly turn into that Emperor who will come and do justice. Now, be careful, this is not wishful thinking, Sagittarius. Be careful, this is not wishful thinking, but from what I see, I have had you could manifest it, I don't know. But what's the steady progress then, Spirit, that Sagittarius should do? In what area? Again, see, you want progress, you want steady progress, but the only progress that you should be making right now, Sagittarius, is in taking care of yourself. You're not taking care of yourself. You're so drained out emotionally, maybe because of this person's in and out behavior or something that they've said or some harsh words that have been exchanged between the two of you. It's totally drained you out at the moment. I think what Spirit is saying right now, it's time for you to kind of refill your own cup. This obsession is not good. Whether it's obsession of anger, upset, sadness, feeling drained out, or even obsession of somebody returning or having a reunion, just leave this person out of the equation for a little while, I would say, and concentrate on yourself, on making steady progress for your own health, wealth and happiness. I mean, to have the devil here twice and the tower moment, right? So just be very mindful of taking lots of good care of yourself at the moment. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Please take care of you. And remember, this situation is right now messy. I'll see you next time now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.